Hello, welcome to the tutorial on how to bring your database connections into Visual Studio during project development or implementation. Now, why should you bring in your database connections into Visual Studio? Well, you need to do this because the number of times you will spend switching between Visual Studio and the server management clients, such as Toad for Oracle and SQL Server Management Studio, will be reduced. So with the why out of the way, let us get down to business. So I have this project that I'm currently working on, and instead of me opening Management Studio, I want to be able to see my tables, my views in the database in SQL Server right from Visual Studio. So what I'm going to do is I'll go to View, I'll click on Server Explorer, then I'll right click on Database Connections, then I'll click Add connection. So now I need to specify a server name. So I'm going to get the server name from here. Copy. Authentication method, SQL Server Authentication, username, specify. Then I need to specify a password. Okay, I'm going to select save my password. So now I'm going to pick my database. So I'm going to pick this Hotel App V3. You can go ahead and test the connection. You see the message, test connection succeeded. Then I click OK. So now I can expand the database connection. I can see my tables. I can see my views. Can I see my stored procedures? Yes, I can see my stored procedures. If you have created any other database object types, such as synonyms, such as functions, synonyms, types, and assemblies, you also be able to see them. From here, can I create a new table? Let me say add new table, or should I say create new query? Let's go for new query. Let me say create table. Uh, Table friends. Let me open bracket. Let me say friend ID int identity. Let me say primary key. Let me say friend name. N Baka 50. Let me say not now. So now I can click the execute button right from here, and you see command completed successfully. So let me right click on tables and say refresh. Let me see. So here you see my friends table. I right click on it and say show table data. So let me add a friend. Uh, Let me add here Ikechukwu George. Uh, so if you've been following me, you will have observed that these are tasks I normally perform in Management Studio. But instead of me switching to do all these tasks and to create the table in Management Studio, now all I've just done is create a new create a new table right from Visual Studio. And right from Visual Studio, I've also inserted data into the table. Thank you for watching.